I get this question from students, am I too splashy? Here's what I want you to know. Have you ever been to a pool and there's all these kids splashing around? There are people splashing. Or were you ever told when you were a kid, don't splash, don't splash? Oftentimes these worries or messages come from people who are not really comfortable in the water. And I get this question from students, am I too splashy? I feel like I'm splashy all over the place. Here's what I want you to know. Splashing is okay. It's a normal part of swimming. You can't move in the water without some agitation that's happening. And it can also be very useful to learn to splash yourself and that it's okay to be splashed. Do it on your terms. Play around with it. Be silly and find out, I can still go. I can still survive. How can I breathe and have fun in the water when I'm splashed? So when those fun-loving, goofy kids get in and make a big splash, it doesn't have to throw you off.